Hi, my name is Bajana Barker. The agency that I am completing my internship is a hospital setting for transplants for kidney, liver, and pancreas. And I'm hoping to get out of my field seminar experience this year is learning how to just be a better medical social worker as opposed to a consumer choice model that I have worked with for the past 16 years and learn the differences as I'm quickly already seeing. And the next question was, how do I expect this field experience will be different from the previous interactions I've had? My previous placements have been working with people with mental health, depression, anxiety, and working with them in an outpatient setting, helping them to learn to be as independent as possible in the community, as well as managing their mental health diagnoses. And as a medical social worker in a hospital setting, I will be working closely with staff and multiple disciplinaries, disciplines, as opposed to working strictly in the mental health confines. However, I will need to be aware that some of my patients in my current field placement may also have a mental health issue, so I will need to use some of the skills that I've learned previously and apply them into this particular internship, which will be a very interesting and good tool for me to have in my tool bag of skills that I have. So I look forward to working with everybody, and I just wanted to say thank you and let's have a great semester. Bye.